Good morning, students. We will continue our chapter, The Proposal. Natalia, excuse me interrupting you. You say, my oxen meadows. She said, excuse me. I am interrupting you. You say, my oxen meadows. Lomo, yes, mine. Yes, they are mine. Natalia, what are you talking about? Oxen meadows are ours, not yours. She said, no, you are wrong. What are you talking about? You are not right. Oxen meadows are ours, they are not yours. Lomov, no, mine, honored Natalia Stepanovna. He said, no, they are mine, honored Natalia Stepanovna. Natalia, well, I never knew that before. She said, no, I knew it very well. I never knew that before. How do you make that out? How can you say that you are right? Lomo, how? I am speaking of those oxen meadows which are wedged in between your birch woods and the burnt marsh. He said, no, I am speaking of those oxen meadows which are wedged, which are wedged in between your birch woods and the burnt marsh. I am talking about those oxen meadows. Yes, they are ours. Natalia, she says, no, they are ours. Lomo, no, you are mistaken. Honored Natalia Stepanovna, they are mine. Again, the person he was arguing, he was saying, no, the meadows, they were related to him. Natalia, just think, Ivan Vasilievich, how long have they been yours? How can you say? Think about it. Lomo, how long? As long as I can remember. I remember. Yes, as long as I can remember. Natalia, really? You won't get me to believe that. As she was not agreeing. Lomo, but you can see from the documents. Again, he tried to explain his point. He said, you can see from the documents. Honored Natalia Stepanovna. You can check the documents. You can see the documents. Oxen meadows, it's true, were once the subject of dispute. Now, he cleared the point. He said, it's true, once they were the subject of dispute. But now everybody knows that they are mine. But he says, now everybody knows that they are related to me. They are mine. There is nothing to argue about. There is nothing to argue. They are mine. You see, my aunt's grandmother gave the free use of these meadows in perpetuity to the peasants of your father's grandfather, in return for which they were to make bricks for her. Now he cleared the point. He said, there is nothing to argue about. There is no matter to argue about. You see, my aunt's grandmother, now he cleared the point. My aunt's grandmother, she gave the free use of these meadows to the peasants of your father's grandfather, and in return for which they were to make bricks for her. The peasants belonging to your father's grandfather had the free use of the meadows for 40 years, and the peasants related to your father's grandfather, belonging to your father's grandfather, had the free use of the meadows for 40 years and had got into the habit of regarding them as their own. And they had got into the habit of regarding the meadows as their own when it happened that. And that is the reason you are arguing and you are talking like this. No, it is not at all. Now Natalia, she again says, no, it is not at all. It's not true. Both grandfather and great grandfather reckoned that their land extended to burnt marsh, which means that Oxen Meadows were ours. I don't see what there is to argue about. It's simply silly. Now she says both grandfather and great grandfather, they reckoned that their land extended to burnt marsh. It means Oxen Meadows, they were ours. I don't know there is there is nothing to argue about. It's simply silly. You are talking like a silly man. Lomov, I will show you the documents. Natalia Stepanovna. Again he said, I will show you the documents. Natalia, no, you are simply joking or making fun of me. But she was again not in favor of the person. She said, no, you are joking or you are making fun of me. What a surprise. It is a matter of surprise. We have had the land for nearly 300 years. We have had this land for nearly 300 years. And then we are suddenly told that it is not ours. After 300 years, suddenly we are surprised to know that it is not ours. Ivan Vasilievich, I can hardly believe my own ears. It is very surprising and I can't believe my own ears. Thank you.